Term Book 2. UKG Term Book 2. Content: English with rhymes and stories. Mathematics: EVS with GK. English with rhymes and stories. Think again. This and that. 1. Think again. Revision. This and that. This is an ant. That is a kite. This is an elephant. That is a monkey. This is a chair. That is a banana. This is a bat. That is a hen. This is a mirror. That is a flower. Two. Uses of these. These are books. These are balls. These are eggs. These are oranges. These are mangoes. These are lions. Three. Uses of those. Those are kettles. Those are ants. Those are dolls. Those are fans. Those are balls. Those are bags.
Deep, deep, deep. Deep, deep, deep. By blue sheep sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Deep, deep, deep. Deep, deep, deep. Deep, deep, deep. By blue sheep sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Deep, deep, deep. Deep, deep, deep.
Five. I, you, he, she, and it. Pronouns: singular. I am a boy. You are a police. He is a lawyer. She is a nurse. It is a horse. Six. We and they. Pronouns: plural. We are students. They are girls. We are doctors. They are players.
Hop a little. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap, tap on me. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed.
Eight. Singular and plural. The singular number denotes 1 and the plural number denotes more than 1. Singular, plural. Cap, caps. Rabbit, rabbits. Doll, dolls. Apple, apples. Kite, kites. Butterfly, butterflies.
Days of the week. Monday alone, Tuesday together, Wednesday we walk when it's fine weather. Thursday we laugh, Friday we pray, Saturday's hours seem almost to fly. Sunday's the rest day, the best day of all. Sunday's the rest day, the best day of all. Monday alone, Tuesday together, Wednesday we walk when it's fine weather. Thursday we laugh, Friday we pray, Saturday's hours seem almost to fly. Sunday's the rest day, the best day of all. Sunday's the rest day, the best day of all.
Ten. The ugly tree. Story. In a forest, there was a crooked tree amidst the tall and straight trees. The crooked tree often sighed for his ugly look. He enviously looked at the other tall and slender trees and felt sad for his unpleasant look. One day, a woodcutter came to the forest to cut the wood. The woodcutter cut down few long straight trees. Then he came across the twisted tree. The woodcutter looked at the crooked branches and said, "This tree is of no use. It's better not to cut this." The woodcutter went ahead, sparing the crooked tree. The tree thanked his crookedness. Never again did he cry about his ugliness in the future. Moral: everything has its own advantage and disadvantage. Accept it happily. Eleven. Opposites. Big, small. Long, short. Thick, thin. Fat, lean. Hot, cool, tall, short,
Butter cake. Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and break it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and break it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Thirteen. Actions: standing, sitting, sleeping, running, walking, jumping, dancing, swimming, reading, writing, eating, drinking, playing, "14. Greenie and Blackie. Once Greenie, the lazy grasshopper, was flying happily. Blackie, the ant, was busy in storing food for winter. Greenie told Blackie, "Let us have some fun." Blackie said, "Sorry, I am busy. I need to store food for winter." It was winter time and snowing heavily. Both Greenie and Blackie could not step out of their houses. Blackie was enjoying in eating the food she stored. But Greenie was hungry and had no food. Greenie went to Blackie and begged for food. Blackie said, "I will give you food now, but don't be lazy in future."
Ding dong bell. Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in little Johnny tin? Who pulled her out little Tommy Stout? What a naughty boy was that to drown poor pussycat. Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in little Johnny tin? Who pulled her out little Tommy Stout? What a naughty boy was that to drown poor pussycat.
"16. Story in pictures. Once there lived a crow. It was thirsty. It looked here and there for water. It found a pot. The water in the pot was at the bottom. The crow thought of an idea. It saw some stones nearby. It picked up a pebble and dropped into the pot. In the same way, it dropped many stones into the pot. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away. Think and think. You will get a better idea. Before, between, after. Before, between, after. 3 cars are in a row. The blue car is before the red one. The green car is after the red one. The red car is between the blue and green one. Here is another example for you to understand the concept between. Observe the picture. 2 is after 1. At the same time, 2 is before 3. So, 2 is between 1 and 3. Numbers in order are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, observe the following line. We call this as number line. From the above, we understand that 1 comes before 2, 2 comes before 3, 3 comes before 4, 4 comes before 5, 5 comes before 6, 6 comes before 7, 7 comes before 8, 8 comes before 9, 2 comes after 1, 3 comes after 2, 4 comes after 3, 5 comes after 4, 6 comes after 5, 7 comes after 6, 8 comes after 7, 9 comes after 8, 2 comes between 1 and 3, 3 comes between 2 and 4, 4 comes between 3 and 5, 5 comes between 4 and 6, 6 comes between 5 and 7, 7 comes between 6 and 8, 8 comes between 7 and 9. Before. 13 comes before 14. 26 comes before 27. 38 comes before 39. 45 comes before 46. 61 comes before 62. 77 comes before 78. 99 comes before 100. 55 comes before 56. 22 comes before 23. 7 comes before 8. 40 comes before 41. 82 comes before 83. Between. 14 comes between 13 and 15. 87 comes between 86 and 88. 70 comes between 69 and 71. 147 comes between 146 and 148. 72 comes between 71 and 73. 138 comes between 137 and 139. 176 comes between 175 and 177. 5 comes between 4 and 6. 156 comes between 155 and 157. 33 comes between 32 and 34. 23 comes between 22 and 24. 189 comes between 188 and 190. After. 26 comes after 25. 65 comes after 64. 49 comes after 48. 60 comes after 59. 55 comes after 54. 14 comes after 13. 9 comes after 8. 71 comes after 70. 43 comes after 42. 89 comes after 88. 111 comes after 110. 200 comes after 199. Exercise. Write before numbers. Write between numbers.
Two. On, under. The jug is on the table. The ball is under the table. Circle the one that is on. Circle the one that is under. Two. On, under. The jug is on the table. The ball is under the table.
3. Above, below. The crow is above the fox. The fox is below the crow. Circle the one that is above. 4. Numbers from 201 to 300. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. 5. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. The numbers that express quantity are called cardinal numbers. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. They are also written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The numbers that indicates the positions are called ordinal numbers. They are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. In words, the ordinal numbers are written as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc.
Cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers.
1. First are 1. 2. Second are 2. 3. Third are 3. 4. Fourth are 4. 5. Fifth are 5. Six. Introduction to addition. Addition is the process of grouping two or more collections of objects together and counting them all as one unit. The sign for addition is plus. The result of addition is called sum. How many eggs are there in the plate? 5. How many eggs are there in the plate? 3. How many eggs are there altogether? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Addition. 1 ball plus 2 balls is equal to 3 balls. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 ice creams plus 2 ice creams is equal to 5 ice creams. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 6 pence plus 7 pence is equal to 13 pence. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 3 dolls plus 4 dolls is equal to 7 dolls. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Addition on number line. In this method, you always go forward from smaller number from left to right till you reach the sum as number. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Addition with lines. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Addition facts. When you count it either way, the sum is the same. 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. 1 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 1. 3 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 3. 2 plus 8 is equal to 8 plus 2. 8 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5. 9. Addition with fingers. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10. Working sums on additions. 1. Raju has 2 balls. He gets 4 more. How many balls does he have? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2. There are 5 fruits in a basket. Rani kept 3 more. How many fruits are there altogether? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3. There are 4 roses in one pot. In another pot also there are 4 roses. How many flowers are there altogether? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4. Sachin scored 4 runs. Dhoni scored 6 runs. How many runs scored altogether? 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 5. There are 2 birds on the branch and 3 flying in the air. How many birds are there altogether? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 6. Sita has 5 balloons and her sister has 2 balloons. How many balloons are there altogether? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 11. Number names 21 to 50. 21. T W E N T Y O N E 21. 22. T W E N T Y T W O 22. 23. T W E N T Y T H R E E 23. 24. T W E N T Y F O U R 24. 25. T W E N T Y F I V E. 25. 26. T W E N T Y S I X. 26. 27. T W E N T Y S E V E N. 27. 28. T W E N T Y E I G H T. 28. 29. T W E N T Y N I N E. 29. 30. T H I R T Y. 30. Exercise. Match the number name with the number. Exercise 11. Number names 21 to 50. Vegetables. 1. Vegetables. We eat many kinds of vegetables every day. We get these vegetables from plants. They provide us vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Some grow above the ground.
Tomato,
Brinjal, beans, lady's finger, cucumber, cauliflower. Some vegetables grow below the ground. Potato, carrot, beetroot, radish, ginger, yam. Some plants' leaves are also used as vegetables. They are called leafy vegetables. Spinach, mint, curry leaves, coriander. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Two. Fruits. Fruits are of different shapes and sizes. Fruits are very good for health. We should eat fruits regularly. Apple, strawberry, pomegranate, grapes, watermelon, pineapple, mango, banana, orange. Exercise 1. Answer the following questions. Two. Fill in the blanks. Three. Flowers. Flowers are of different colors and sizes. They look beautiful. Most of the flowers have sweet smell. Rose, sunflower, lily, lotus, jasmine, marigold, hibiscus, chrysanthemum. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Four. Animal world. Very big animals. Elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros,
camel,
big animals. Tiger, lion, zebra, bear, cheetah, horse, cow, buffalo. Small animals. Cat, monkey, goat, dog, rabbit, fox, deer, rat. U UKG. Math contents EVS with GK. Our wild animals. 5. Wild animals. Some animals live in natural surroundings or forests. These animals are called as wild animals. Lion, tiger, deer, elephant, monkey, zebra, giraffe, bear. Exercise. Answer the following questions. Six. Domestic and pet animals. Some animals gives us milk and food. Some help us in fields. They are called as domestic animals. Cow, buffalo, goat, sheep. Some animals give us fun. We play with them. These animals are called as pet animals. Parrot, rabbit, dog, cat. Exercise. Answer the following questions. Seven. Water animals. Some animals live in water. These are also called as water animals or Aquatic animals. Fish, starfish, dolphin, shark. Some animals such as tortoise, frog, crocodile, and crab live both in water as well as on land. These are called as amphibians. Tortoise, frog, crocodile, crab. Exercise. Answer the following questions. Eight. Birds. Birds are two-legged animals. Birds have wings. Most of the birds fly with the help of these wings. Pigeon, parrot, crow, peacock, owl, pelican, sparrow, crane, hen, eagle, duck, swan. These birds cannot fly. Ostrich, penguin, kiwi. Nine. Insects. Insects are very small animals. Most of the insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings and so they can fly. Insects which cannot fly. Louse, spider, ant, termite, locust, bedbug. Insects which can fly. Dragonfly, mosquito, honeybee, cockroach, housefly, butterfly. Ten. Seasons. We have 4 seasons. Every season is important. The climate changes in every season. Summer is the hottest season. Sun shines bright in this season. People wear cotton clothes. Spring season gives us pleasure. Rainy season is needed for crops. People use umbrellas and raincoats to protect themselves from rain. It is cold during winter. People wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Clothes we wear. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes make us look attractive. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. These are the dresses of boys and girls. Frock, skirt blouse, coat, pant, shirt, short, jeans pant and shirt. These are the dresses of men. Trousers, shirt,
धोती कुर्ता, कुर्ता पायजामा, kurta lungi. These are the dresses of women. Lehenga, blouse. Salwar, kameez. Sari. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Summer season, rainy season, winter season. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. Our school. This is our school. Our school is like our home. We learn many things at school. We learn to study. We learn to read and to write. We learn good manners at school. This is our classroom. We learn our lessons here. This is our school library. We read books here. We also see picture books here. This is our school ground. We play games here. This is our staff room. Our teachers sit here. This is our principal's room. Our principal sits here. Principal is the head of our school. These people work in our school. Peon, sweeper, gardener, watchman. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. B. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Good manners. The way we behave is called manners. We learn good manners at school. We take permission before entering the class. We respect our teachers and elders. We share things with our friends. We keep our school and classrooms clean and tidy. We stand in a queue to get into the bus. We should throw rubbish in the dustbin. We do not quarrel with each other. Everyone likes us if we have good manners. Exercise. Fill in the blanks. People who help us. Many people help us in our neighborhood. These people are our helpers. Policeman catches thieves. Doctor treats us when we are sick. Postman delivers letters and urgent messages to us. Teacher teaches us lessons, and good manners. Tailor stitches clothes for us. Farmer grows crops for us. Carpenter makes furniture for us. Lawyer helps us to get justice in court. Exercise. Fill in the blanks. Places of worship. Places where we worship God are called places of worship. People of different religions go to different places for worship. Hindus worship in a temple. Muslims worship in a mosque. Christians worship in a church. Sikhs worship in a gurudwara. Exercise. Fill in the blanks. Our national symbols. Every country has its own symbols. These symbols stand for the country's pride and honor. So, these symbols are called national symbols. Our national flag. Our national flag has 3 bands. The top band is saffron in color. Saffron color stands for courage. The middle band is white in color. White color stands for peace. The bottom band is green in color. Green color stands for prosperity. Peacock is our national bird. Tiger is our national animal. Lotus is our national flower. Exercise. Answer the following questions.